Good morning. It's 7 o'clock. It get very windy. Is this you? My face is sweat. Yes. Let's out this. Wait. This is so beautiful. Look. Let's brush. Wow. So beautiful. And then I'm turn around. So beautiful. Let's ready my face. First is this. No others people is get this, and my mom is get me this, and very happy. You follow me, please. Later, I'm exercise. Blend this. I wait. My hand is so red. My my face is so wet. Okay, sunscreen. I'm done. Goodbye.